Okay, here we are out here at a beautiful day at Como Lake, and I'm gonna try my luck with my some magnet fishing, and we'll see how that works today. I've never done it before. This is all new. I've known about it for a long time, but I finally got this magnet. It's supposed to be 1,000 pounds, so we'll see. I'm gonna throw it out there and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna try over here at the dock and see what kind of luck I have here. That's probably when people drop their cell phones off and stuff, and I'm gonna get me a couple of them right now. Well, this is a lot harder than I thought it was. My first catch was this little tie, this little bread tie, has some metal in it, and then my second catch was this hook, a fishing hook. But the deal, what I'm finding out is that I'm stirring up some stuff down there, and it seems like I'm hitting a lot of metal stuff, but it's kind of so buried in the dirt, mud, it's kind of hard to, I could feel stuff, but it's a lot harder than I thought. But anyway, for another day.